Hey friends, if you wish to fix the error, the specified procedure could not be found on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is a checkdisk scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command chkdsk space forward slash r space forward slash f and hit enter. Press Y and hit enter once again. The last solution is a system restore. So search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open recovery. Click on open system restore. Choose a different restore point. Click on next. Choose a good restore point next. And then finish and then yes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.